Welcome back. So, continuing with my previous video, that once I came to know that I have been diagnosed with ADPKD, and that was using the ultrasound of full abdomen, and full abdomen ultrasound was showing that I have multiple cysts in my kidney, and kidney size has also increased, and there were cysts also in my liver, a very big, around 5 centimeter cyst in the liver. Now, when this information came to my family, my mother, now my mother doesn't want to accept that this is a genetic disease, and primary reason is that knowing that in a family there is a genetic disease, it's she consider it as a same that her family blood is impure, you know. That's a general reaction. They doesn't want to accept that in this can be a genetic disease. Now, my father was is a pharmacist, but he's a pharmacist for 44 years or 50 years, maybe 55 years. But he has never heard of someone has this kind of disease, which is known as polycystic kidney disease. Now that uh, and I had a blood pressure, so doctor given the medicine to reduce the blood pressure, and that time what happened that I had also gained 12 kg of body weight, that is almost 15% more than my normal body weight. So my task is to reduce my weight, because cardiovascular disease primary cause is the weight gain is also a cause, and reduce my cholesterol level and other thing. My other family members were also not willing to accept, and what was happening that everyone was looking to me as if I am going to die tomorrow or in few days. uh, when they come to know that this the disease does not have any cure, so this kind of denial, not accepting, and then this the superstition start playing in, that this happened because someone did something witchcraft to you, etc., etc., and then those kind of thing also are there in the society, so they started saying. So I uh, completely reduced the salt from my food. That was my first task, and then started taking the blood pressure medicine and went for more tests like CT scan of my kidney, and then other blood tests. But genetic tests I supposed to do in Kolkata. Where to do genetic tests and where not to do, I was not aware. So by the time uh, in the first 2 3 weeks, my mom was looking at me as if how many days she has, and she was not willing to let me go outside the house or anywhere. Started I was saying that I don't know, I will not take food without a salt, but they they are not willing to accept that they can give me food without a salt. So mother was putting a pinch of salt in every food, and that pinch of salt itself was too much salt for me. And society, some people were telling them without a salt the person will be this and that, so you have to put salt in every food, without that it is not going to be. Still I cannot convince my mom after 1.5 years that without salt food I can eat. Even if I go home now, she will cook food with the salt. So there were in the next video I am going to uh, again tell you what my friends reacted when they come to know, and how many doctor I consulted for it. I'm living happily now, going through this disease, so don't worry, don't feel pity about me. uh, One can live with this disease a healthy life. See you again. Thank you. Bye bye.